National Weather Service in Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, southern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, northern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, western Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near St. Louis and was moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Brambleton, Arcola, South Riding, Haymarket, Dulles International Airport, Centerville, Chantilly. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Statement from the National Weather Service. At 9:36 p.m., Doppler radar detected a thunderstorm.